So good afternoon, students. In the last session, we were discussing about the problem on the basis of advance payment. We had a problem. So in the last session, we have ended with the cash balance and the journal entries. Now in the today's session, we will be continuing with the balance sheet as well as the working note. How we subscribe the capital and all that working notes are there that will be proceeding here. So let's start with the session here. So firstly, what is our share capital? The first point says that what is our share capital? See, in the question itself, it is been told share capital is been given here. It is of 5 lakh rupees. It is a share capital. In that you can make here the share capital in equity shares as well as preference shares. So 20,000 preference shares are there and 30,000 equity shares are there. So 10 rupees each means in the share capital you can have authorized capital, means which has been decided in the memorandum of association. In the memorandum, how much authorized capital you are going to collect, that has been decided, that is 5 lakh rupees. So let's see here, 30,000 equity shares are there, correct? 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Then 20,000 preference shares are there, right? Preference shares.
Sir, page number.
Page number, it is on page number 20. Preference share of rupees 10 each. So on rupees 10 each, how much it will be? Straight away 3 lakh and 2 lakh. What was the authorized capital told here? 5 lakhs. So it will be straight away 5 lakh rupees authorized capital, right? But in this is what authorized capital we came to know, which is been framed under the memorandum. We have told that we will be collecting 5 lakh rupees capital. So how you have collected, how you have issued? Next one is secondly issued capital. How much is the issued capital? C issued capital kitna hai yahan par? We are in the question, it has been told how much? 15,000 equity shares are been issued and 10,000 preference shares. Let's see, 15,000 equity shares, 15,000 equity shares. How much it will be? The cost will be how much? Equity shares of rupees 10 each. What is the cost here? 15 into this, 1,50,000. Next, 10,000 preference share of rupees 10 each. 10,000 into 10 means 1 lakh. So what will be the final answer? Issued capital is how much? 2,50,000. Done. This is what the issued capital. How much we have issued? Our total capital, how much it will be? It will be a 5 lakhs here. So it will be under the 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 3 lakhs. 20,000 rupees preference shares of rupees 10 each, 2 lakh. Totally it is authorized capital is 5 lakh. Then after that, how much we have issued? We are not going to take whole of the amount at once. We are going to issue it step by step. So issued capital is how much? 2,50,000. So next, we will proceed further. Now next, subscription. How much subscription is there? Subscribed capital. Subscribed capital. What is the subscribed capital here? In this subscribed capital, subscribed and fully paid. Subscribed and fully paid. Let's see how much it has been told. Now here you will be having some of the drawbacks in the means what? Shares which are unpaid, that you are going to see here. So 15,000 equity shares are being issued, but in that call-in arrears are there. Call-in arrears are how much for equity shares? 100, and for the preference share how much it is? 200 call-in arrears are there. So removing that amount, we are going to take here subscribed and fully paid capital here. How much it is? See, you can get it here. So in 15,000 reduce 100, 15,000 reduce 100. So how much it will be? 14,900. Correct? This is what equity. Then preference 10,000 reduce 200. It will be 9,800. This is preference. Correct? This is what? The subscribed and fully paid capital. So we are having
Yes, sir.
the entry on this. So let's see. 14,900 equity shares of rupees 10 each. How much it will be? Then 9,800 preference shares of rupees 10 each. Check it out. It will be like 1 lakh 49,000. Yes, it is 1 lakh 49,000, and this is how much? 98,000. Correct? So what will be
Yes,
the
sir.
total? We will mention in the
2,47,000.
2 lakh 47,000.
47,000.
Okay, so remaining subscribe but not fully paid up. सब्सक्राइब किया है लेकिन फुल्ली पेड अप नहीं है, जो कि हम लोग कॉल इन एरियर्स है ना हमारे, वो यहाँ पर एंट्री करेंगे. लेट्स सी हाउ मच इट इज अ कॉल इन एरियर्स. हाउ मच इट इज सब्सक्राइब्ड बट नॉट फुल्ली पेड अप. मैं यहाँ पर मुझे प्रॉब्लम होगा, मैं यहाँ पर शिफ्ट होऊंगा. सब्सक्राइब बट नॉट फुल्ली पेड अप. Subscribe but not fully paid up. Subscribe but not fully paid up. It is not fully paid up. तो कितने बाकी है यहाँ पर? सब्सक्रिप्शन हुआ है लेकिन फुल्ली पेड अप नहीं है. लेट्स सी हाउ मच. 100 इक्विटी शेयर्स है ना, 100 इक्विटी शेयर्स ऑफ रुपीज 10 ईच. कितना होता है? यस, हाउ मच इट विल बी? 100 into 10 means 1000. So in that, less call in arrears.
$1,000.
Call in arrears कितना होता है देखो. In that what we have made here, call in arrears for equity share is how
250.
much here? 250. Remaining amount write in the outer column. कितना होता है? 750. ये हो गया equity shares. 200 preference shares है ना, 200 preference shares of rupees 10 each. How much it will be? 200 into 10, 2000. 2000. Then less call in arrears कितना है इसका? Call in arrears is how much here? In the journal entry it was given how much? 500. Yes, the total is this much, 1500. Yes. Now make the total of this, check it out, how much it will be. मतलब यहाँ से ये 247,000 प्लस दिस कितना होता है देखो, 989 करेक्ट है ना? 2,49,250 होता है ना? 250 as usual. Is it correct one? Check it out. आंसर करेक्ट है क्या देखो? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट है ना? हेलो, करेक्ट है तो बताओ, अनम्यूट करके रखो आपका. टिल हियर एवरीथिंग इज ओवर. यहां तक करेक्ट है सभी? ये वर्किंग नोट इतना ही है. हम लोगों ने इस वर्किंग नोट में क्या देखा? ऑथराइज्ड कैपिटल 5 लाख का है. 5 लाख वी आर हैविंग ऑथराइज्ड कैपिटल. देन वी हैव इशूड कैपिटल. हाउ मच वी हैव इशूड? 2,50,000. बट इन दैट 2,50,000 हाउ मच इज पेड अप? कितना पे किया है? हाउ मच इट इज पेड अप? देन हाउ मच इट इज अनपेड? अनपेड कितना बाकी है वो देख के हम लोगों ने टोटल किया है. सो सेम थिंग्स विल बी प्रेजेंटेड इन वेयर? In the balance sheet. So till here all the concepts are clear.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then let's go for the balance sheet. A small
Sir,
balance sheet
network
क्या
issue
हो
हो
रहा
रहा
है?
है sir. Connected हो रहा है.
क्या हो रहा है? नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है अभिषेक? You are facing a network problem, then I will start recording the classes and send you the videos. If you are having a technical issues, let's record this then. Balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
अगर आपको टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं तो रिकॉर्ड करके भेजूंगा मैं. The balance sheet is been shown in the unique pictures. So it is particular and this will be the amount. And here we are having a note, working note, note number. Okay. We had two working notes here. One was a share capital and another was a subscribe capital. Okay. First, equity and liabilities. Equities and liabilities, how much it is? First, shareholders. Shareholders, how much it is been told here? Shareholders, share capital. The amount is 2,49,000. 2,49,250. This is of the assets, liability side. Equity and liabilities we can say. Then coming to the other side, assets. Assets are what? Current assets first. In current assets, first one, it is cash and cash equivalents. What it is? Cash and equivalents. How much it is? 2,40,000. This is working note number 1. This is 2,49,250. So directly it will be 2,49,250. Done. This is what the balance sheet. Balance sheet में इतना ही
250.
दिखाया गया है. This much only the things are been shown in the balance sheet. And one more small problem I had told you to try it at home. 6 number problem was given for you all as a homework. आपने किया है? Try किया कि time नहीं मिला? Yes? Have you all got time to solve one problem? Here we end with this problem. The problem based on the call in arrears as well as call in advance. This was the problem. The big one problem was this, where we have come across with the cash book as well as the balance sheet in this with the journal entries. Okay. Then further, till this all the concepts are clear here? Yes, all the concepts are clear here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Then the next part what we are going to deal is
Yes, sir.
oversubscription. The next concept what we are going to deal is none other than the oversubscription. See, oversubscription means what? Till here we saw many of the wordings we have came across. Subscribed, unsubscribed, oversubscription means what, you know? Whenever you make a call, okay, to the public to subscribe the shares, that time if you are calling 10,000 shares, okay, if you are calling 10,000 shares, you will get application of 15,000. Yes, when you are calling 10,000 equity shares, but you will be getting 15,000 applications for the subscription. Then what you are going to do there? What you do specifically is you will subscribe only 10,000 and remaining reject this. You are going to reject 5,000 applications. Yes, is it correct? So some of the time what happens, you may subscribe this all the 15,000 also. It depends. Now how you are going to see that we are going to discuss here. Now when there is a over subscription, how you are going to manage? What the director does, that we are going to discuss in this class. So most probably when you get 15,000 shares, that time you can subscribe all, or else what are the alternative options to come across with this, that we are going to discuss in the session. So see, I will highlight the things how it is. There is an instance when application are for more shares of the company are received, that time offered to the public for subscription. See, when you are offering the subscription for the public, that time more the applications you will be receiving. That time, this usually happens respect of shares issued in a well managed and financially strong companies, which is said as oversubscription. Means when your company is standing and leading in the, your business is leading or the company is leading in the market, that time what happens, on the basis of your outcomes, what you have earned the profit, how you present your financial statements, on that basis few of the people will try to invest in your business. That time when you will be calling 10,000 equity shares, you may get the application 15,000. In that 15,000, how you are going to manage? That we call here as a oversubscription. What it means? Most probably every people like to invest in your business. That time you are going to get a problem. What problem we will see? You see, in such conditions, three alternatives available. There are three alternatives are available to the directors, with this situation. यहाँ पर 3 अल्टरनेटिव डायरेक्शंस है या फिर अल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल है. कौन से 3 अल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल्स है वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. सी फर्स्ट वन, they can accept some applications in fully and totally in full and totally reject for others. मतलब ये अगर 10,000 आप कॉल कर रहे हो, अगर आपके पास 15,000 आ गए एप्लीकेशंस, इन 15,000 में से 5,000 को रिजेक्ट करो और ये जो बचे हुए 10 है फुल्ली एक्सेप्ट करो. एक्सेप्ट दिस फुल अमाउंट एंड रिजेक्ट दिस. दैट इज वन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव. मतलब एक अल्टरनेटिव है, ये अल्टरनेटिव यहां पर मिलेगा. देन नेक्स्ट वन, सेकेंड सी, दे कैन मेक अ प्रो डेटा अलॉटमेंट फॉर टू ऑल. मतलब ये पूरे 15 को भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. इसके जो 3 डिसीजंस है वो लोग हम लोग पूरे डिटेल में पढ़ने वाले हैं. इसके जो अभी जितने 10,000 किए हैं उसके आपको जर्नल एंट्रीज अलग आएंगे. उसके बाद जो दूसरे ये पूरे लोगों को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए बोला है ना, तो 15,000 एक्चुअली आपको 10,000 करना है लेकिन आप 15,000 कर रहे हो तो इसके जर्नल एंट्रीज अलग रहेंगे. वो सेकेंड पॉइंट हो गया, सेकेंड अल्टरनेटिव. थर्ड क्या है देखे, दे कैन अडॉप्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अबाउट 2 अल्टरनेटिव्स. ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन भी कर सकते हैं. आप सिर्फ इतने भी कर सकते हैं और या फिर ये पूरे 15 के 15,000 कर सकते हैं. मीन्स व्हाट, यू कैन गो फॉर ओनली दिस वन और दिस वन और एल्स 2 कंबाइनली. ये कंबाइनली कर सकते हो. दीज आर द 3 alternatives which are been available. So in these 3 alternatives, what things are there? See, the problem of oversubscription is solved with the allotment of the shares. ये allotment करने के बाद ये जो subscription problem है वो solve हो सकता है. Therefore, from the accounting point of view, it is better to the place the situation over subscription within the total time of application and allotment. That is, receipts of application amount due on allotment and its receipts from the shareholders. In the same situation, the pattern get enters. So what we will do, you know, one by one in this subscription pattern, how you are going to call up allotment. If some of the people may allot at the time of allotment or the first call and all, when they are not paying, you can reject them. So many of the options are there. That alternative options we will be discussing in the next session. So we may get disconnected without getting one of the alternative fully explained. We may get disconnected. So for that reason, we will be discussing that same in the next class.